In this tutorial, we're going to check the underwriting status of an application. First, log into the ProducerZone. The dashboard shows 2 items in the New Business section. Visit the New Business page by clicking View All or by clicking the link in the toolbar. The New Business page has a summary of all applications in underwriting. Above the table, we have the ability to export to Excel or to PDF. The first applicant has 3 outstanding requirements: a disability application, a full blood profile, and a paramed exam. 2 of the items have an asterisk, meaning that they're currently being reviewed. For additional details not included in the summary, we can click on the insured's name. This table displays the requirements, status, and comments for the applicant. The disability application is currently under review, and question number 22 details are missing from the application. The ProducerZone updates in real time and is available 24/7. Visit zone.piu.org for underwriting status and much more.